So I'm done actually replacing the switches, three-way switches here, both of them. They control this light in the hallway. So you can see right here, this way you can turn on and off the light, and then this is the other one. I didn't insert it yet, so you can see the connection. You see this red one is actually a hot wire coming in, and then these two control the three-way switches right here on this side, and you have the neutral right here attached. So it's exact same setup on that side, same exact red, white, and then a black wire. So yeah, this is all working. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and attach them, put a faceplate on those, and then I'm gonna move on to another. These are the last three-way switches. I had two here and then two in the family room, and the rest of them is all just regular switches, like this one here, and should be much easier to replace. So